Hey, what's up mga Lods? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan. Ito na naman ako mga Lods. Ako na naman to, si Ruben Song. Ang isang seaman na nakikipagsapalaran sa karagatan para makaahon sa buhay. Kaya sinasabi ko talaga paulit-ulit mga Lods, na mahirap man tayo at dukha sa tingin, makakaahon din tayo mga Lods. Ngayong araw na to mga Lods, yung kakantahin natin ay special request ni Mayang Jamaica. Yung kakantahin ko is How Do You Heal a Broken Heart by Chris Walker. Request ito niya sa birthday niya mga Lods today. September 5, today. Kaya happy birthday sa'yo dyan, Kamayang Jamaica. Tapos may mga nag-request na rin ito mga Lods. Si Jason Di Maala at saka si Joseph Tamala. Ito niyo yung mga request niyo mga Lods. No? Titirahin na natin. Subok-subok lang tayo mga Lods kasi hindi natin masyado itong kabisado mga Lods. I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I'll hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. And when you ever want to see, or was I a fool? Fell in love with his own dream. And now you say you want to leave, start a new life today. Those words I thought you'd never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. Do you heal a broken heart that feels like it hindi ko talaga masyadong kabisado yung Lods. Pero sige lang, basta para sa birthday ni Mayang, Jamaica. May mga nagpa-shoutout ng mga Lods. I-shoutout na natin. Si Christine G. Ginitaran from Kuwait. Masugid ko na taga-suporta to si Christine Ginitaran. Si Jade Iskoy, Hermenegildo, or Hermenegildo. Sama ko to dati. Shoutout sa iyo dyan, Iskoy. Kaya Joseph Pia Omela, Maestro Amo ng Eminent Ace. Shoutout sa iyo dyan, boss. Yun lang mga Lods. It's me again, Rubenson. Please follow my FB page or subscribe my YouTube channel. Once again, magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan.